here at the Unload for the Syracuse Motorsports Expo. This is the second video we put up. Tyler Meeks, that's who drives this car. New look for them this year. Baby Windhausen. Matt Janzik's sprint car, come back for that. By the way, this was a popular car. Let me see, is this the one? Hey, I gotta ask you, sir.
Yeah.
Are these taps still hooked up?
No, they're not.
No, I can't get anything. Oh, come on. This would have been very popular on the way out, you know that?
I know.
What do you guys do at Heritage Hill?
We have a nice brewery up there, and we have great views, and we have good barbecues.
Pompey?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll swing out there. You make your own?
Yes.
Very good.
All right.
Good luck, man. I hope you had a good time at the show.
Yeah, thanks, Doug.
Thanks, Doug. I wasn't expecting that. That's a beautiful car. I always like the black and white. You guys know that. Fear the Beard, right here. New look for them this year. How we doing? The beard's getting there. It's about early season form right now, isn't it?
Yeah, I got about a month left.
Okay. So how much are we gonna gain, you think, Trevor?
On average, about half inch a month.
Half inch a month?
Half inch a
okay.
month.
So by the time the season rolls around, Trevor, that's my daughter Allie, by the way.
Nice to meet you.
She'd like to try one of these sometime, right, Allie?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I've never met somebody that would say no to one.
That's true. Well, I've heard some where if their wives or girlfriends are there, they'll say no. But,
Well, we'll see about that though.
right.
Once you sit in one, you won't want to get out.
and we got to get you in the Cole Hauser costume this year one night at the
Right,
track,
we'll get
right?
the full get up.
Yeah,
I
you
got
can work on
47
your
shows.
work on your accent, you know it, and you could be his stunt double.
Absolutely.
On Yellowstone.
I'm sure I'll see you around. Like I said, we have 47 shows scheduled, so I'm
Nice.
hoping that we're going to be out and about.
Very good.
Very
Nice to
busy.
see you, man.
Thank you.
There's Mrs. Planck right there. Hey, Leslie. Never guess who that is. Yeah. It happens. It happens. Yeah, I got you on camera. Can you believe that?
She looks amazing.
Time is marching on, right? Matt Mead, come back. We did an interview with Matt. So look for him. Tommy Wickham's car over here. And that's Tommy. He got younger and his hair grew.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Zach Sabaka. Daryl Ruggles. There you go, Allie. You like that sound, right? That brings back some memories. This is a rare video here of Greg Hixson not eating a hot dog. All right, so.
I got to hurry up.
That's right. We'll have his son on later this week. So, man, look at this. You guys weren't even close on that. You're supposed to be professionals in this show business. I don't know.
We failed you, Doug.
I know. I hear I was
sorry.
going to show the perfect work you did. So, and we'll see his son. You're going to believe what happened to his son when he was. How old were you?
14.
14. All right. Have him show you his left arm sometime. You'll be surprised. Good to see you guys.
Nice
Nice to see you.
job. What's that?
That's Allie right there.
Hey, Doug.
Oh, a little too nicely. Bob Holland, that is the same Bob Holland from the Outlaw Circuit. In case you didn't know, his daughter Amy was the champion, in case you've never made that connection. The kill, number 60. Oh, there we go, Allie. There's a little smell. Just got a little microd smell right there. Somebody fired one up before they left. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Allie drove those, so she likes that smell. Oh, you know how it is. She fired up my snowboard one time. She's like, "Oh, that's good. I like that." Two-stroke. How we doing? Good.
Yeah.
Is that full?
What's that?
Is that keg full?
No, it's empty.
Oh, I was gonna say you could bring it out to the Buick, but I guess not. So I tried. And of course, Tyler Corcoran's car, new sponsor on the 64 this year. At VP Fuel's on there. And we're gonna shut this down and do one more clip.